something really f***ing gross, really, really disgusting, check this out. Look at that, it's gross. That is disgusting. That is shit water. Look at this guy with the one leg. He's got one leg. Probably because this water. Hey dude, what happened to your leg? Did you step in this dirty shit? He probably did. Look at this, it's disgusting. Pray for this beach. Lord, pray for this beach. Go upstream here. Go. Let's get up close.
Looks like sewage water. Ew! This is so gross. There should be fish with like 20 eyes coming out of this water.
No, not fish with 20 eyes. Just seagulls with one leg. And that guy over there is running through it. That clown right there is running through it. Ooh. Good thing this is attached. I thought I had lost it in that disgusting shit over there. bet people think when I walk by with this thing that I look like such a hobo. But you know what, Long Beach? I'm just here to make the world a better place. So I did less than about a football field worth of beach, and I got 4 bags worth of trash. I have a neighbor who goes crazy all the time. She's always screaming, and last night she had herself an episode. So I'm gonna leave you on this vlog with a video from last night of one of my neighbors having an absolute fit. She was crazy to begin with, but last night she was extra crazy. So see you next time, and have fun.
Emma! And I am God!
Here they come now.
My real name is Isis!
I want to hear the ins and outs.
My full name on Instagram is Isis! ISIS! My name is Isis, their Secret Service. My name is Isis Halima 106.
Oh, shit.
This is the 106th version of the Matrix. Yes, the Matrix is real. I was obsessed with righting the wrongs in the Bible. Hey, God. I am the little engine that could. I am the one. Because you all know that I did indeed die. When this bitch tried to wake me up early.
Some kind of
Betty White,
cult following.
Nicki Minaj,
Maybe they are.
Cardi B, Bruno Mars,
Oh, and Bruno Mars is in on it too. That's too bad because I really like him.
Billie.
I think she's just naming off the top artists.
Yeah. But there does seem to be a little bit of Uptown Funk going on right now, doesn't there?
You guys are missing it, Diane.
Jim Henson, Walt Disney Company.
Ah, the Muppets now, too?
Yeah, now we're into the
Miss
Muppets.
Piggy, when pigs fly, it's
Oh
right
no,
now.
not Miss Piggy, that's my girl.
I am Lima the Frog. I'm not dealing with this shit anymore. I will not watch your Satan's Fall Queen. Furthermore, the bitch doesn't even have magic. All I did was have on a basket weave ring and I said, and I quote, I hex you. She touched her own thumb. No, they need to know. I'm not doing this shit with my thumb. My thumb is broken. I'm pregnant with twins. I ain't moving nowhere. I ain't running for mayor. I ain't running for president. I'm rich, bitches. Okay?
James.
I'm a boss nigga. Furthermore, I'm a bad bitch. My preferred name, Lil Moonshine.
Little Moonshine.
My stripper name,
Her stripper name is Lil
My
Moonshine.
stripper name is Ebony Hollywood. And my clever witch name is Ayana Germantown. I am a Russian Caucasian Jew. I am Caucasian. And we want, Great Mother Russia. Because when my, no, don't you f***ing touch me. That's that bitch clamoring me. Where the f*** did she go? I told you not to let her go. Oh, they already got Witch's Way. Reverse, reverse.
Reverse, reverse.
And I love, John, and quarter, 5, 4 horses. Cut her head up. Cut her head up. Stop touching me. That bitch raped me. No woman has ever gotten over a rape. Yeah. So if you think I'm crazy, I don't give a f***. I done done a Del Amo script. And I woke everybody the f*** up. I done 2 jail scripts. And I woke everybody the f*** up. So I don't give a f***. I don't give a f***. Not a single f***. Not a single solitary f***.
Screaming at the top of her lungs.
Dogma is real. And God is not. In a coma. God cannot be with us ever. We remember everything. And that bitch has been raping me since I was 2. I ain't career, think I give a f***. Furthermore, if you don't